Follow the steps on how to resize a photo with a locked subject in Photoshop. Let's start by inserting the image. Then create a new document with landscape size. Click and drag the image into a new document. Adjust its position. You can use the rectangular marquee tool to select. Right-click, then Save Selection. Fill in the name and click OK. Right-click and deselect. Select Layer. Edit, Content-Aware Scale. Change this to the name that was saved previously. Hold Alt and resize. Now the image can be exported. And this is the result. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.